Hey everyone, it's Scott Rayleigh here. It's going to be a fire live training today, and I'm going to be covering a bunch of awesome information how to use the AI. And just yesterday, I got more inspired than ever. Mark Cuban said the younger generation every day should just study the AI and try to get better at it every day because it's going to help you guys in so many different areas of your life. And today, I'm going to give you guys an awesome training. And if you guys don't know me, my name is Coach Scott. I've been doing drop shipping now for the last 10 years. And I got access to using the AI about a year ago. And I was telling friends about it. I was telling, everyone about it, but they didn't really believe me. But now it's gotten so much crazier and easier to use to make videos, make photos, logos for your store, and even find you winning products. And I'm going to do the whole shebang today. So let me know which background you guys like best. I got this background here. Let me give you guys. Let me know what you guys like best. You guys like this one here, elevate your grind, or you guys like this one here? Let me know. So again, I hope you guys are having an awesome day. This is live training how you guys can use the AI and use the prompts that I'm going to be giving you in this training for free to take advantage, everyone, so you could start using this right now and follow me during this training. And some people struggle to find winning products, and they struggle to find, what's trending. And they'll spend hours and hours, struggling, while people that know the knowledge, they've made a lot of money in this space, they know what it is that they're looking for. So if you don't have the experience, you want to leverage the AI, friends, and that's what it is that we're going to be going over. It's like a cheat code. It's an amazing cheat code. And if you guys saw my training yesterday, I went over how I created this awesome product here, which is called the shoe cleaning bag. And all I did was put in the link of the product, and it created me my own page where I can now import into my store, friends, with its own FAQ, really nice benefits and features. So I'm about to give you guys access to all of my ecom prompts and also show you how you can use it for yourself right now. Follow me, guys. This is amazing. One of my favorite prompts is this one right here. I'm going to share it with you. It's winning product research prompt leading into 2025. And it's amazing, friends. I can't wait to share this with you and paste this on into ChatGPT and give you guys an example of how this is going to work and how you guys can do it with me. So I give you guys this link in the description of this video. So all we got to do is copy this right here, and paste it right into ChatGPT, friends. Okay, and here we go. So I'm going to go ahead and open up ChatGPT, all right, and I'm going to paste it over there. Let me show you guys what this looks like. Okay. Hope you guys are having a great day, by the way. Let me know where you guys are watching from. Let me know if you guys are currently using ChatGPT, and I would like to know what you guys don't like about the AI, or what you do like, some things that you are learning, friends. So what I did is I just pasted in this long prompt, and I say you are a seasoned 7-figure product researcher looking for TikTok trends, focusing on USA warehouse fulfillment, and I want you to give me a list of 20 products. And I go ahead and put this enter here. I just enter it on in, and let me show you guys the magic of this very prompt right here. So I'm going to be giving you guys access to this, giving you the very document to download this prompt. It's super exciting, friends. And right after this, I'm going to be showing you how we're using SORA, which is a brand new AI from ChatGPT. And if you're a paid member, this is amazing, friends, because what you can do with this is start making your own videos, like over here on TikTok. Like, look at this, friends. I'm about to blow your mind with these TikTok videos that are going viral right here. And they're all made just with a simple prompts. And I'm going to be breaking down how they're doing it and how we're using SORA to do it right here, friends. So this is SORA. And this is a beautiful image right here. And for people who love to cook and who like cooking, this is so cool. And you could turn this photo into a video, friends. And that's the power of SORA. And I'm about to share with you guys how we can do that here today. And all you got to do is get access to ChatGPT and then access to SORA. And you could start making these very images yourself. And they tell you exactly what it is that they did to make this image right here. So it's a highly detailed cinematic animation of miniature Chilean dish, friends. A Chilean dish. That is so cool. So for those of you that are looking to make money online, I'll share with you something that's going super viral right now. If you know how to make a cinematic photo using the AI, you could then turn that into a cinematic video and start going viral like some of these videos here. And so I'm going to be sharing with you not only my AI prompts so you could start, learning how to change the game in the e-commerce, but how you could start thinking about doing some of these really cool TikTok videos that got over 1 million views with these cats or a tornado. And these are all AI generated, friends. And this is amazing. Like, you don't even have to show your face. And that's the power of what I have found here and what we could start using. And this is our creativity. So I want you to imagine if we were just on the cutting edge of dropshipping. Like if we just found out about dropshipping. So that is the idea with using AI and using it to make the photos and videos and being creative with your own way. So if you guys like something, you're a Christian, you want to share some quotes. You guys like cats, you want to have a cat pull out a little flower out of its pajamas, you guys can do that over here with SORA. And I want you guys to start checking it out. I'm going to go back over here to SORA. And all you got to do is look at over here on the top. I look at what's trending. And I just start going down here and I look at what's trending. And if it's a really cool video, like look at this video right here of this shark walking. Like that is so funny, right? And if there's something really cool that you guys want to do, you could actually make it your own and create your own version. So I'll give you an example. If I click on this shark right here, I could actually make my own version of this right here. So this is what the person before me did. They said a two-legged shark walks from left to right on a still camera full body. So if I want to do this on my own, I could say, yes, I want to do a 2.3 size. I want to do a 9/16 size. I want to do a 720p. And you could then say, this is what you want, and then you can make your own exact video. You're like, Scott, what? That's so cool. And that's how easy it is right here, friends, with SORA, being able to leverage this. And I can't wait to leave you guys with more inspiration, because what you should do is you should probably take this very prompt of this Chilean dish and turn it into a video right here. And that's kind of what we would do. We would turn this into a video, friends, and then we would post it over on TikTok and start getting a lot of really cool engagement on TikTok with our live videos. And whatever the algorithm starts liking, then we could start posting more of whatever it likes. So you guys like that idea? Isn't that really cool how we could use our creativity, use the AI, make some photos, and we can just find out what's working and then do more of that. And especially if it's something that we like to do, if you guys like cooking, you could just share your cooking inspiration and make money doing it, all right? So let's go back over to ChatGPT and let's look at what it provided for us with this prompt right here, friends. This is amazing. This is going to blow your mind with what it's telling us to do this summer to make a lot of money with our dropshipping products. So I just pasted in this prompt, and I'm going to be breaking down each of these products right here, friends. This is the top 2025 dropshipping products that you guys want to take a look at and take advantage of if you're serious about launching and making money this year in 2025 leading into summer. And my prompt breaks all of these down and why you would want to sell these and your profit margins, okay? Our ideal selling price is always at least $59.49, but we want to be buying it for under like $15. So always our ideal product cost is like 15 bucks, and then we sell it for like $49.59, friends. And that's kind of what you'll see here and why it is that why my prompts are so good. So we can buy this product here for 12, but we sell it for 49 with a profit of 37, okay? That's a cooling mist fan, and we could even open the link right here and take a look at it. And it's probably one of those 3-in-1 cooling mist fans, okay? And it even gives us upsells and downsells, like a cooling neck towel and a portable neck fan. Okay, everyone? Does that make sense, friends? If we were going to get into dropshipping this summer, what it's telling us is get into this awesome fan and also upsell it with this neck fan and a cooling towel, friends. Pretty cool. Okay, and you could focus on US, Canada, and Australia mostly with that. The next product is a safe baby float. I think this is really cool. It's for moms that are watching their kids out in the pool, and it helps them float, and it's got a visor and everything. It's an awesome product. I know exactly what it is that they're talking about here. So a type of safety pool product for your kids. Awesome for the summer here. Okay, how about this? A waterproof cooler backpack. Like, friends, I didn't have to spend hours going on TikTok. I'm literally getting the very best products right here. The product cost is $18. We could sell it anywhere from $59 to $69, a nice profit margin. So you guys got to be thinking, people are going to be going outdoors. People are going to be, doing things out and about, leading into summer travel. So this is the vibe right here, outdoor summer, spring, and staying cool. So the next one here is a dimmable ceiling fan light. I think this is amazing because I know a lot of fans now, everyone, you can screw in the light bulb, and then it's not only a light but a fan at the same time. So it's like a 3-in-1. I think that's really cool here. So a nice hot winning products here, friends. And any one of these, you just go down the list, like breathing calming plush, a tummy control swimsuit. Ooh, that looks good, everyone. I love selling to women a tummy control swimsuit. That looks fire right there. Okay, a dinosaur double bubble machine. Okay, so for kids out and about, summer, like a bubble type machine. That looks like a pretty cool product. We buy it for $8. We sell it for $39. Okay, I'm liking it. All right, let's look at this other one here. A magnetic maze pad. Interesting. Okay, so let's see here. Boost your child's focus. So anything to do with magnetic mazes. Interesting. Okay, a 2-in-1 oil dispenser spray bottle. So a lot of people are going to be cooking outside this summer, barbecuing. So anything to do with complementing, like there's a 2-in-1 oil dispenser bottle I just talked about. There's also a stainless steel grilling item that my students used to sell last year that did really well, friends. So this is really cool. And then the last one here is a water cooling pet mat. So a lot of pet owners out there are going to be looking to keep their pets cool during the summer. So I know that the splash pad, anything to do with keeping like the pets cool, that's really going to work well. And then it gives us a nice little analysis of what it thinks is the top 10 that we should focus on. Okay, the cooling mist fan, the baby safety float, and then the waterproof cooler backpack. So isn't that cool, everyone, how we just took in that prompt, and there's a lot more prompts that we have access to that I want you guys to start being able to use, all right? And this prompt that I gave you guys is just for winning products. I have more that actually really help you guys with creating your own banner. So for those of you that want to create a banner, or for those of you that want to create a logo, these are amazing prompts right here to do that. And I did this recently with a student, and it really helped them so much, friends. So what you're able to do is just here, let me break it down. You are an elite e-commerce brand designer, a logo strategist. I'm building a Shopify store called, and this is where you change your name right here, okay? And so this is what I'll probably do with you guys to help you out, is I want to say, okay, let's build a store right now. Let's get a logo. Let's get a name. And let's use these prompts to show you guys how you can literally get a store going just today within a few minutes using the AI. And this is just with drop shipping, friends. Like, this is what we do to build logos and build banners. We don't have to go to Canva anymore. We don't have to pay for Canva. We got the AI to do it for us. So let's go ahead and just paste in this prompt right here, okay? And we'll go ahead and paste it on over into ChatGPT. You guys getting some value today so far? This is going to be amazing. This is going to be awesome. Let's go ahead and get a nice store name logo created here, okay? So what's going to be our store name here? Let's do Gift Finds. Gift Finds, okay? Here we go. I'm going to go ahead and enter that right now. Here we go, friends. You are an elite e-commerce brand designer, and it's going to create a logo for us called Gift Finds. Okay, and it's going to make it wide, and it's going to make it awesome. So let me share with you a logo that I recently helped with a new student, friends. This is an awesome logo that I recently helped right here. Take a look. The Fabulous Gift Store. This was done with AI, and all we did was just do exactly what I'm showing you right now. We pasted in the prompt, we gave it the store name, and then it was able to generate exactly that logo for us. Okay, and it's doing it right now, but with gift finds with this ChatGPT, friends. Take a look. Isn't that beautiful, friends? Like, this is amazing right here. This is a beautiful logo. So you got your logo on the left, your name and everything. And if you wanted to change anything, you can. You could say, hey, this is, I want to do a different colors, etc. And it will make you different colors. Now, let's go make a banner. You guys ready to go make a banner with this? This is gonna take it to the next level now. Now we want a banner, okay? So let's go to the next prompt that's also in this document here. Here's the banner prompt. Act as a high-performing direct response creative team. I need a lifestyle banner, okay? So here we go, friends. I'm gonna go ahead and copy that right here, and we're gonna paste that on in, friends, into ChatGPT, that new prompt. And we're gonna get a beautiful lifestyle banner that's gonna be game-changing, okay? Here we go. So I'm gonna just maybe add a few things, okay? Okay, this image, let's say, show a smiling family or people having fun, lifestyle, right? And I'll just go ahead and hit enter here, and I'll make it 16 by 9 by 9 banner size. Okay, so watch this, friends. This is awesome. I love this. So recently, me and my student, we made this banner here with the AI. We made his logo with the AI and all of this, and it came out looking fantastic. So every one of my students, we always try to have some type of a lifestyle on our images here, like some type of family, someone running towards you, something like that, friends. That makes sense. Like, that's really important to have that feeling of family and that feeling of like, hey, they're looking at you and they're looking at your logo or looking at you. And all of these banners right here are from my exact students, and they're using the AI now to do it. And before, we would have to be like, oh my gosh, what are we gonna do? You know, and now look at this, friends. It's gonna make us a nice banner here. This is gonna be beautiful. Awesome. So I hope you guys start using these prompts for yourself, and it'll really change the game for your company or launching your store, okay? Take a look at this. This is beautiful right here. Now, if I don't like this, I could say, hey, make me a new one, but add my logo in the corner, add a promo code, say 50% off, and I could really try to build that type of vibe on this, like to make it more, you know, etc. Like try to add like a summer 10 promo code, take 10% off. But this is looking really good right here. I'm liking it already. And this is powerful, friends. So this is just using the ChatGPT 4.0 version right now. And this is beautiful. I love the dog that they put in there too, friends. Look at this. Look at this. This is amazing. That is fire. So all we would need to do is say, great, I like this. Make it with now my logo. Great, I like this image. Okay. So let me put that down there, friends, so you guys see what I'm doing here. Great. I like this image, but please add my logo somewhere, but keep the same image. Like, I don't want to lose that same vibe, right? And then I want to keep the logo now. I want to add the logo, friends. So this is really cool how we're able to do this right with ChatGPT. But don't forget, we got SORA now, you know, which is a totally different animal, friends, which is, I wanted to teach you guys SORA so you guys can be inspired today to start making photos, because not all of you are in dropshipping right now. Not all of you are making money with dropshipping. So you just guys want to go make some photos, see some creativity, and I want to be able to show you how to do this today. So for example, let's go ahead and show you how you would do this right here on this photo, friends. Down below every single photo, you have the prompt, okay? You have the prompt, as well as you can edit the prompt. So you can make your own, friends. So right here, I can change this a little bit. See how it says Chilean dish? I could say, instead of a Chilean dish, I could say a sushi dish. And then I could make my own right here. And then I might have to remove some of this because it talks about certain, you know, sushi dish, and just say plated of salmon. I'll say salmon and all the raw sushi. Plated of salmon and all the raw sushi. Okay, look at that, friends. Okay, rainbow, I won't say that. Okay, all the raw sushi, and then I'll say all the workers are working and they're pouring concrete, right? It looks 360 degrees. Okay, that's really it, friends. Now I need to say, do I want it a 2x3 image, a 1x1? Okay, and then I'll say, yeah, I want 2 variations, and then I'll hit enter, friends. That's all I got to do. I just got to say yes, yes, and then enter, and now I'm going to make my own version just by editing this right here. That was so cool, friends. And then now I could actually make a video. Do you guys see right there? It says make video. Make a video. So we can turn this into a video right here, right inside Sora. Okay, take a look at this. So I can just say have them working on the dish, something like that, and then that's it. And then I want to create 5 seconds, 720p, and then I'll hit enter. And so I just created, okay, I can only create one image or one video at a time, but once that other image is done, I'll be able to create this video right here. So that's the power of this, friends. We can make a photo and then make a video, and then we can just download it and then start sharing it over here to TikTok and start seeing which videos are going to get us the most likes right here, friends. So, and if you guys like something over here that's getting a lot of views, okay, like this right here, it's getting a lot of views, 900, almost 1 million views right here. Look at that, friends. Look at that. So if you like that, then what we can do is take a screenshot of this. I'm going to show you guys. This is amazing. Everyone has a screenshot tool. We all have a screenshot tool. I'm going to screenshot this girl over here with the shark. Okay, I'm going to screenshot her. Hang on a second. Let me get that screenshot. All right, what's a screenshot? It just takes a little clip. It's like a little clipping of your screen. And then if I like something, I can take that, and then I could go upload that over into Sora, friends. So now I'm going to go into Sora. Okay, back over to Sora. And let me share this. I'm going to click on uploads. Okay, and I'm going to upload that photo right here. Let me share with you. I'm going to upload it. Okay, let's see here. Upload. Let's see here. There it is. Okay, it's uploading now. Here it is, friends. Take a look. There's the photo. Now, what I can do is I can do a remix of this. A remix. Describe this photo. And I could say remake this photo in 4K detail. Okay, you guys see that? And now I just literally took that screenshot and I'm asking Sora to make me another 4K detail of this photo. So now when I go to make my video, it's going to be my own actual version of this photo right here. So if you guys are like, Scott, I want to use some of the creativity on TikTok. I like those videos, but how do I do that for that? So you could either go get inspiration inside Sora by looking at the prompts. Okay, I like doing that. So how do you do that, friends? You just go back inside Sora. You go look at the top over there on the left. It says top. You guys see that top? And then you just start scrolling down the list, and then whatever takes your attention, you're like, wow, I want to make that for myself, right? And if you guys like something, then you want to learn what it is that they said to make it. Okay, so, and I'm always looking for something that had a lot of likes. Okay, so let's see here. This got 300 likes, but look at the quality, you guys. I want to bring your attention to the quality. Like, there's a lot of AI tools out there, like Runway, Clean. There's a lot of tools out there, but really Sora has been able to really show amazing quality, and where it doesn't, better, like movie quality, friends. And that's what goes viral, is movie quality stuff. Okay, so I hope you guys are getting a lot of excitement here today, how this works and how you could take advantage of this. So if there's anything that you like that's gotten a lot of views, then you could learn what it is that they did here to make that here. So I'll share with you guys how they made this here. This came from a photos, and then they turned it into a video, friends. So it came from this photo here. Look at this photo. So what you can do is make photos and then turn it into a video right inside this amazing tool right here. So you guys see right here, I can actually make my own video with this photo right here. I don't have to upload that photo. I can make my own, and it'll be mine in my account. That's the cool thing about Sora. So you don't have to go upload things and do too much. It's like you can just use the creativity right inside. All right, so I hope you guys are getting a lot of inspiration today on how you could go ahead and use this creativity to your own advantage. And then when you're done making a lot of videos, you can go over here where it says My Media and start looking at what you created today. Okay, you guys see this right here? This is what I created right here. Look at that. This is my version now. Mine. So that all I did is I pasted it and I said, I want mine now, give me mine. And now I could turn this into a video, friends, and I could make it even better. I can make it better. So I can do a story size video, which is TikTok size video. And I could say, have the woman happy with the shark, you know, petting the shark like a dog, like it's her dog. You know, I'm not sure. I'm just thinking, like, you know, that's kind of what, or the woman petting the shark near its teeth. I don't know, like near its teeth or near the eyes or something. I don't know, but you guys get what I mean. You could have fun with it near its eyes or something. There we go. And then now it's creating it. Now it's doing it. And I think this is so much fun because if you can get something really taken off, you know, really taken off, friends, all you did was just took a few minutes of your day and did some inspiration, and nobody has to see your face. Like, I don't mind showing my face. I'm a coach. I love coaching people, but I love food, right? I've talked about food a few times here today, but look at this right here. I could literally take this same salmon idea and then do exactly the same thing and make my own, friends, just by looking at the creativity here and being inspired. For those of you who are into politics, there's a lot of Trump stuff going viral with Trump, you know, with Putin and different things, or Michael Jordan, you know, or LeBron James. But anything with cats does really well, friends. I love the cat stuff. And again, if you're just looking for a creativity, go back over to SORA. And I love just hanging out on SORA, friends. Just going over here to SORA and just going down on the list right here and just looking up ideas that looked really interesting to me, right? And if it had a lot of likes, then I know we're onto something, all right? And all of these are mostly photos. Some people made videos, but like this cat right here is really cute. There was one the other day where it was a cat on a bicycle, and it was awesome. I really liked the cat on the bicycle. I thought that was so fun, everyone. I had different students laughing yesterday, making videos, you know, with the cat. Oh, right here. Here's a cat, a fat cat right here on the going down the hill. But yesterday it was a fat cat. Like, so I'll show you guys the prompt. You can see the prompt right here. The cat leans into the curve, and you know, so like they're building a whole storyboard here, friends. From behind, a fat orange cat racing down a steep mountain in a miniature go-kart at 200, km. Fur fluffs around dramatically. So if you guys like something, you can literally take the same prompt and start building it for yourself. Like, this is interesting right here. A guy dirt biking on a chocolate cake. Like, what? Like, something's going to go super viral, and you guys can be right in the front of it just by making these yourself, okay? And all it takes is a ChatGPT membership. And I hope you guys got inspired here today, motivated. Maybe something stood out to you. You're like, Scott, I love dropshipping. I want to get into dropshipping. Or, Scott, if there's a product I want to sell, there was that product I want to sell. If there's something that you guys are interested in getting help with, obviously there's winning products out there. I love dropshipping. But this is a whole untapped thing right here. And it's just showing how AI is making it a lot easier for us to make money, friends. So all you got to do is get in front of it. I feel that this is like the whole new AI, the whole new world of dropshipping, friends. So here's that one cat I was telling you guys about. Here it is right here. Take a look. So this one got over 100-something thousand likes. This thing did really well. Just the cat cruising down the motorway there. All right. So let me go back to the logos here. And let me see here. So great. I'd like to add my gift finds logo to this banner. Okay. So yeah, I just want to button up this training here, friends. I hope you guys got a lot of inspiration today by looking at these prompts and how to take advantage of it. Like, it's all here for you. Here's all the different prompts that I have. Even I have prompts to analyze your Facebook data. So for those of you that are running Facebook ads, you can paste in your CSV file and it will actually break down what's your best ad data, friends. There's more lifestyle image prompts. Like, you're an AI trained e-commerce creative director. I need a high converting lifestyle image for a winning product. You go ahead and paste in the winning product, and it's going to create a whole realistic scene with your product. So if you want to sell that laundry shoe bag, it'll actually know exactly how to create a lifestyle real vibe with the shoe bag, with the AI, friends. And that's pretty exciting how we're able to do that. So if you don't know what I'm talking about here, this is the shoe bag that we created yesterday with the AI. And these type of lifestyle images right here are what I'm talking about, where the kid is with the dad or with the mom. And this is what really works right here when you have like real people using your product in your images. So this is an AI tool, friends, that we use to make the product for our product pages. So when you guys actually like a product, you just go over here and hit create inside of this tool, and it'll make you your own page. So you don't have to go out there and go design your own page, everyone. It's amazing. So all you got to do is paste in the link of the AliExpress link or Amazon link or Shopify link, and it will generate you guys your own exact version ready to go. All right, and that's what's cool right here. So another tool doing the heavy lifting for us, friends. So let's go back over to the ChatGPT, and I'll share with you, this is a photo that it just created for me, adding the Gift Finds logo into there. But what it did is it actually like put the logo over that girl's face. So I would have to tell the AI, hey, look, you know, you need to fix this right here, but it looks good. And then I would also have to say it needs to be a 16:9 image. Okay, so let me share with you guys how I would get this to work here. So, all right, so great. I like this image, but please add my logo somewhere. But I want gift finds. Okay, so let me remake this. Okay, make me the same banner photo with my logo, gift finds. Okay, like that inside the 16:9 banner. All right. So this tool right here, friends, ChatGPT is going to make us a whole new banner just now by adding in our logo. So here's our banner. We like this banner. This is what it made us. It came out fire. But now we want to take our logo that it made us as well right here, and we want to add our logo to the banner. And so that's what I'm trying to tell ChatGPT right now to do that. And this is just a few things that you got to do sometimes, like when you're trying to lead it down, you know, try to give it the exact information that you need. But eventually it's going to spit out what you want, friends, and that's what it is that we're looking for. So I hope you guys got a lot of excitement here today, looking at what's possible using the AI, whether you're making product pages, finding winning products, or even looking at making photos with SORA and turning them into videos. Let me know what you guys are more excited about, you know, and I definitely like to do another live training and actually dive more into executing it from start to finish. Okay, not just showing you, but actually how we build it step by step. We build it together.